Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is a Ford Mustang Bullitt that we've upgraded with not only a front integrated camera into the factory screen, as well as a front and rear dash cam that records while the vehicle is parked, so it's now secured as well as protected while it's on the road. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Other than that guys, let's get started. To start with, what I'm going to be talking you through is the actual front integrated camera that what we've integrated into the factory Sync 3 system in the vehicle. So this is the same on the Ford Mustang Bullitt like we've done today, as well as the standard Ford Mustang as well. So in terms of this system, basically what we've done, we've added in a ProFit camera. Basically it sits inch perfect into the grille, right in the center. It gives you a really nice wide view. That basically is a physical cable run all the way through the engine bay into the vehicle, through alongside factory wiring. Then it's actually taped and secured to alongside factory wiring as well. So everything is incredibly neat and sort of hidden away as well. Cable then comes into the vehicle. Basically the cable then goes into an integration module that sits behind the existing factory radio, which on this vehicle is a Sync 3 system. So in our demo car we also have this exactly same setup, same front camera, same integrated solution into the Sync 3 system. A lot of these vehicles, the Mustangs as well as the Bullitts, don't come with any parking aids on the front of the vehicle. We do two different solutions for that. One is a parking aid solution, which we've done another video on. However, we've also got this solution, which is an integrated camera. We do loads of these. Plus, if you want to see the finished product installed onto a vehicle, our demo car is always here. Book a consultation, come by and see that product, and you can go through everything in a bit more detail with us. So that's how the camera basically integrates in. It's really easy to use. You basically press and hold the OK button and then it pops up live on the full size of that screen on the center console in the Sync 3 system. So, and then as soon as you select drive or come out or press OK, it will then take you out of that screen and move on to your factory system. Another really cool thing that we've added onto this vehicle is a ThinkWare U1000 dash cam. So this is a front and rear solution that's mounted very, very discreetly, as well as the fact it's installed to the highest possible installation standards. That is basically all fused correctly into the fuse box. The cable run goes alongside behind headlining and then into the rear camera, goes right in the center on these. Looks really neat and very, very discreet. That camera basically not only records while you're driving, but also allows for recording while this vehicle is parked. So it now protects the asset while the vehicle is parked. So you've got a little battery basically, which is designed from ThinkWare, which links into the system, mounted directly underneath your passenger seat, so you literally cannot see that at all. It's completely out of the way, as well as the fact that this product now allows for you to access everything in terms of the SD card, all via an application on your phone. If you download ThinkWare Cloud, you'll be able to see the features of that. We'll drop all the links below for that. If you're interested in any dashcam solution, feel free to come see us. We'll go through everything with you, as well as the fact this particular camera system currently, so the U1000 2-channel with the battery, is actually installed into our demo car as well. This is constantly changing and updating. However, this is the current product that we've got in our demo car. So literally our products have been taken from our car near enough and exactly designed and installed in exactly the same manner into this Mustang Bullitt. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch and we'll drop all the links below. Hopefully you found this video useful. You've seen how we carry out the installation on the Ford Mustang Bullitt. If you're interested in something like this, we'll drop all our links below. The best thing you can do is press the subscribe button, which will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. We actually have all this kit installed into our Ford Mustang demo car. If you want to see this product in action, feel free to come by, book a consultation with us, and we'll sit down and go through everything in more detail with you. You can actually see this in the flesh while in our demo car. So thank you very much for watching our very short video on this upgrade that we've carried out, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.